Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make the real Jamaican curry goat, so let's get right into the video. Here I have my goat meat. I am going to remove the excess fat, clean it up and chop it into desired pieces. After washing the meat properly with vinegar and lime juice, I am going in with all my seasonings. The next thing I am going to do is combine this. I am now adding oil to the pot. This is on low heat. I am going in with my curry powder and I'm going to leave this to burn for a few seconds. This will bring out the flavor and the color. At this point, I am going to add the meat in and I'm going to leave it to spring its own water and also to get that nice color. This has been going on for a few minutes. I am now going to add some water and leave it to pressure for 20 minutes. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can still use this method. Just add your water, cover your pot, and leave it to cook until it is done. After the 20 minutes, I am going in with carrot, Irish potato, and onion, and I will leave this to simmer until it is ready. The curry goat is ready. You should definitely try this recipe out. Your family will love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time,